Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about volume up and down automatically, how you can fix this problem in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your setting like this, swipe down and you have to click on this additional settings. Click on accessibility. Here you have to click on accessibility menu, then you have to click on to activate this, then you have to press activate for the shortcut and press back. Friends, here you can see this shortcuts will create, it will float on your screen. When you just click on it, you will see here is a volume down and volume up. If your volume button are not usable, it is a problem in here. When you just press volume up or down, it will not increase or decrease your volume. Then you can use this method also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.